Okay, so today I wanted to talk about the problem I've been having when I come down from my attic. I tend to forget the lights on and I go about my business, and then I may not notice the light has been left on for a couple of days. So, the light just stays on until I go back up there and I realize it's on. So I decided to get a timer. So I'm replacing this Decora timer. All right, and this is what I replace it with. It's a bathroom fan auto shut off switch timer 30 minute. All right, and this is the diagram for it. It gives you, all right, it's white, 15 amps, works with a regular outlet, made in China, of course. All right, and this is what it looks like. All right, so if you look at the wiring diagram, it has one here. All right, it shows you how to connect it. So you must have a ground. All right, you must have a white wire. All right, and a black, and the red is for the load. All right, so this is what I ended up connecting. And to activate it, you just press this button here. All right, and it cycles through 5, 10, 15, 30, and off. All right, so next time I go up in the attic, I'll set it for 5 minutes and it'll switch itself off, and then I'll be good to go. So just thought I'd show it to you. I'll put the link below so you could consider if you want to get it. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.